Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova 9 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings and just here scroll down and find the home screen and wallpaper. Tap on that and right there you will see the wallpaper. Just tap the wallpapers. So right here you can see that you can choose your new wallpaper from the gallery. So if you wanna if you get some photos on your phone, also you can choose one from these wallpapers. For example, I'm going with this one and we'll choose this wallpaper. Just tap to apply and you want to change the lock screen wallpaper. Just wait a few seconds and now we can check. So as can you see, our wallpaper has changed successfully, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.